Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you want to give another family member, friend or trusted person access through the Schlage app, the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people are unsure where the user settings are located, while other times the invitation never seems to appear correctly during setup. Since the Schlage app helps manage smart lock access and permissions, following the right setup process can make sharing access feel much smoother. The good part is that once setup finishes properly, the new person should be able to use the Schlage Smart Lock without confusion. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to add another user in the Schlage app. Try these. Step 1. Open the Schlage app and select the Schlage Smart Lock you want to manage. Step 2. Sign in to the account connected with the Schlage app if access settings do not appear. Step 3. Find user or access settings linked with the Schlage Smart Lock inside the Schlage app. Step 4. Add details for the new user through the Schlage app carefully. Step 5. Save changes in the Schlage app and wait while the Schlage Smart Lock updates access settings. Step 6. Test the new setup correctly.